In the heart of Turkmenistan lies the door to hell, a massive crater that has been ablaze since 1971. Originally a natural gas field, geologists set it on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas after a drilling accident. They expected it to burn out within a few weeks, but it continues to blaze with an intense flame, creating an eerie spectacle. The fiery pit measures about 230 feet across and generates a surreal glow visible from miles away, attracting adventurous travelers and researchers alike. This geological phenomenon has sparked numerous legends and myths, making it a fascinating destination for those seeking the extraordinary in nature.